It's raining outside, which means it's the perfect time for me to turn on my radio, play on some lo-fi relaxing mix, grab my cup of coffee, prepare to get comfortable and grab my blanket, grab my favorite book, and let this bot make me money in the background, then do all of the work for me, for free. So in this video, we'll be going over step by step on how we can use this 100% free bot that we never talked about before in order to make hundreds of dollars a day completely passively, because the bot will do all of the hard work for you, so you obviously need no previous experience for this, and it works all over the world. India, Pakistan, Brazil, United States, UK, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Indonesia, France, Italy, Spain. It works in all countries, and by the way, now that you've seen how I like to relax in my free time, let me know in the comments, what do you do in your free time, how do you spend it, and how would you be relaxing if you had a passive income stream working for you? Type it down in the comments down below, and while there, make sure to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up so we can hit 1,000 likes, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on, and if you do, I'll notify you whenever we have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it, and in that way, of course, make the most money. Okay, so first of all, before we go into the step-by-step process, I want to show you that this tool, this free bot, is literally trusted by over 10 million people across the world. As you can see, trusted by millions worldwide, and 75% average time savings per writing project, because it's absolutely free and you won't have to invest any money at all. Now, step number 1 will be to come over to a website called ClearVoice. Later on, I'll show you the exact link where you can find this website, but before that, this is the website that will actually pay you in real money, so no points, no coins, no gift cards, but real cash, which you can then spend on whatever you want. Next, just come over to this website that I'll be showing you before we go to the next step. According to SimilarWeb, this website is being visited by almost 1 million people on a regular monthly basis, and they're coming from top-tier countries like United States and United Kingdom. Like 22% is coming from Mexico and 14% from the United States, but as you can see, there are a lot of countries, which is really good. Now, don't worry, as I said, you won't have to do any of the work yourself, because the bot that I'm about to give you will do everything for you on complete autopilot. But what this site actually is, this tool is a place where companies, business owners, and entrepreneurs come to hire people, everyday people like you and me, and pay you to write content for them, to write different articles and blog posts for them, and they're willing to pay hundreds of dollars for each article submitted. Now, you don't need any writing skills for this, because you won't be writing those articles yourself. I'm going to give you a tool which is professionally going to do all of the work for you, and it's proven to get some decent results to a lot of people across the entire globe. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to use any PLR products whatsoever, because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. But I have a brand new bot that we never talked about earlier, which is going to do all of the work for you with just one click of a button. It literally requires just one click to set it all up, and it's gonna work for you, and you can get paid again and again with this website. Now, just as you land on this website, if you hover your mouse on Talent Network, you'll be able to see that they have different categories. So you can write different articles and categories like advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech retail, and much more. So they'll cover all of these different categories on ClearVoice. Anyways, the next thing that you'll need is to come over to clearvoice.com and sign up by hovering your mouse at the Talent Network, and then click Join the Talent Network right here. That's going to take you over to this page where you can find out more about all of the benefits that you have working as a freelancer on ClearVoice, and we'll be specifically focusing on writing those articles. So you can sometimes get literally paid over $500 per article you write, and the thing is that if you stay until the end of this video, you'll get a bot which will do all of that work for you. It's gonna write those professional articles for you for free in any niche. So you can charge other people hundreds of dollars for those articles and make money every single day. You'll see exactly how that works, but first of all, you'll need to sign up to ClearVoice as a freelancer by entering your full name in these two boxes. Once you sign up to clearvoice.com, this is how your account is gonna look like. Here's where your name's gonna go. In my case, that's digital cash flow. And here on the left hand side, you have your socials. You can add your YouTube account if you have one. You can add your Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and the more of them you add, the better, because the chances of getting hired will be higher and the more money you'll make. With that said, I highly recommend you add as many social accounts as you possibly can. To add or change your profile picture, you can just click on Edit Info right here and just upload whatever profile picture you want. The higher quality of your profile picture, the better, because the more chances of you getting hired and the more money you'll make. Now, before we proceed to the free bot that's gonna do all of the work for you, so you can get paid hundreds of dollars hands-free, I just want to show you something. Not only can you set your own rate and set exactly how much you want to get paid per article, whether you want to sell it for $100, $200, $500 per article, you can set your own rates. You decide what you want to get paid and you'll get paid quickly, meaning that you don't need to wait for days, weeks, or months to get paid, but you can actually get paid instantly directly to your PayPal account. So you can work with confidence that you'll get paid on time. You'll always get paid on time with clearvoice.com, and you can collect your earnings with PayPal, which means you can now collect some free PayPal money with this strategy. Now, just before we start using this free bot, I want to show you proof that this actually works. So here's one of the many freelancers that are using ClearVoice to make money by writing those articles. Now, you can see that this person has loads of them written in their CV, so each of these articles made them hundreds of dollars, but let's just say just $100 per article. That's gonna be $400 for these 4 articles, another $400, that's already $800, $1,200, and so on and so forth. He still has loads of different articles with his ClearVoice account, but the thing is that he actually wrote those articles himself. He probably spent hours, if not even days, writing those articles. It was really complicated. It required him a lot of time, effort, and knowledge and experience to do this. But you won't have to do any of that, because I'm gonna give you a free bot which is gonna do it for you. So this is just a reminder that this actually works and that people are making hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars with these articles on clearvoice.com. Now, to officially get started and to start making money with ClearVoice, you'll need to go back to your account and you'll need to complete your CV. As you can see, for me, it's gonna be 15% right now, because I have my name and my profile picture. So the more you fill out, the more details you give them about yourself, your CV will improve, and once you have it to 100%, you'll be able to start making money. Now, to improve your CV, you just need to start adding content. So right here, you have the button to add content, to paste the URL to the article which you wrote, or to just upload the article which you previously wrote. Now, I know you might be thinking right now, okay, but I don't have any articles to prove that I'm qualified for this job. Well, don't worry, because you can also get that done for free. Let me show you how you can do so, and by the way, this is also a place where you submit those articles in order to get paid. This is a place where you actually earn money. So for the next step, you'll need to start using Google, and you'll go over to google.com and you'll think of whatever niche you want to focus on, whether that's artificial intelligence and technology, whether that's business and finance, gaming and fishing, photography, videography, whatever niche you want to focus on. Let's say, for example, I want to focus on the business niche. I'll search for business, and I will actually search for business tips for entrepreneurs, beginners. Let's say, for example, business tips for beginners. I'm going to search for that. You can of course search for any keyword phrase you prefer and in any niche you like. Now, once you search for that keyword, that's going to give you all of these different articles that are sometimes literally posted months ago. So these are new, fresh articles which you can use, and every time you search, there will be new articles which you can use, so you'll never run out of articles from which you can make money of. Now, I know this all sounds a little bit confusing, but just stay with me, because I'm going to explain to you step by step how to actually do this, because you can't just copy and paste someone's article on ClearVoice, because that will obviously get you in some serious copyright issues and you won't be able to make any money. So pay close attention and see exactly what needs to be done. Let's say, for example, I like this article. So I'll open it up and it's gonna be right here. So what you simply need to do is copy the article part by part. Let's say, for example, this is part number 1. I'll copy this one part of the article. This is like the intro to the article, so in this case, that's gonna be 16 tips for starting and succeeding in your own business. I'll copy this and I will proceed to the free bot, which is gonna rewrite this text for me with a single click of a button. So let me show you how it works. The bot that we've been talking about is called quillbot.com. This is the quillbot.com, Q-U-I-L-L bot.com. You basically paste in whatever text you prefer in this box. You can even upload an entire document. Click on paraphrase, that's just one click of a button. And on the right hand side, you will have a rewritten original text, which you can now use as your own because it's entirely rewritten for you. So let me show you how this works. I will just paste that part of the article, which I copied previously, and I will hit paraphrase right here. And now, you'll be able to see that it's been rewritten for me with just one single click of a button. So the first sentence is, what do you need to do to start a business? And for me, it's been rewritten to what are the steps to starting a business. As you can see, it's super high quality, and it makes this article original and unique. So now, I can use it as my own. So what you'll need to do is copy this rewritten part, go to Google Docs, paste that part of the article in a blank document, go back to the random website which you found on Google, take one more part, for example, I'll use this one, paste it on the Quillbot once again, and by the way, if you're not signed up to Quillbot, which is absolutely free, then you're limited to 400 characters per submission, which means I'll need to remove one sentence and then I'll add it later. So remove, for example, this sentence and maybe this one as well, and this will be enough. Now I'll click on paraphrase right here and it's gonna rewrite this part as well. Now you can do this part by part and repeat this process until you have an entire article rewritten for you. So I'll now copy this, I'll go back to Google Docs and I'll paste it below this. Once again, do this part by part, copy one part of that article which you found on Google, place it into Quillbot, let it rewrite it for you with one click of a button, literally less than 5 seconds of work, and then take that rewritten part, paste it into Google Docs, and just like a puzzle, create an entire article written for you. This entire process should take no longer than 5 minutes, and once you're done, you can now save this to your computer by clicking on the File button right here, and underneath the File button, you'll have the Download button, and you can download it however you prefer. I'll download it as a PDF document. Now you can go back to clearvoice.com, go to your account, click on Add Content right here, and click on Upload or drag drop a file. I'll upload my file which we previously downloaded from Google Docs. And it's gonna start uploading and I can select the category this is in, the finance category. So I'll select personal finance or even business finance. I'll leave it like this. You'll fill out more details, you'll write a brief description if you want to, and you'll just hit update. It's literally as simple as that, and they'll also explain to you exactly how this works. You can also change the name to your document. You can edit an image, which is also really good and preferable, so I highly recommend you add an image for all of your articles because they'll be more clickable. To find a suitable but free image, you can use pexels.com. Just come over here, go to the search bar, search for business finance or whatever your article's about, and that's gonna give you all of these different photos which you can use free of charge. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I'll click on free download. It's also just one click of a button. I'll have this image and I'll be ready to use it on clearvoice.com, so I can just click on change image right here, upload it, and save this article. It's real simple. The more you do it, the better you'll become and the more money you'll be able to make. That's exactly how all of these people are making thousands of dollars for their articles. And for you, it can literally take you less than 5 minutes of work. For them, it's probably hours or even days of work. But for you, it's just 5 minutes of work with an absolutely free bot, which I just gave you in this video. That's it for today. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.